Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying hardware so you don't chase software for a cable problem. Once confirmed, open Device Manager from Start. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. You need the exact device name and any warning icon. This tells you whether Windows recognizes the adapter. If the device is missing, look under Other Devices. Make sure to run Device Manager as admin so you can update drivers. These first steps set you up to find the right driver source and avoid wrong installs. Now you'll identify the exact driver by opening Properties right arrow details and copying hardware IDs. That string is the key. Next, search the OEM or chipset vendor, Realtek, Intel, AMD, or use the Microsoft Update Catalog to match driver versions. Make sure you pick the package for Windows 10 and the correct architecture, 32 versus 64-bit. Once you download, verify the digital signature and version number. That prevents incompatible installers that can cause audio failures or device conflicts. Install the driver with administrative rights, then restart. After boot, open sound settings and set the correct playback device. If audio still fails, roll back to the previous driver or use Device Manager right arrow update driver, right arrow browse my computer and point to the downloaded package. If issues persist, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and check Windows Update for driver packages. One key tip: if the device shows code 10 or doesn't initialize, try a different USB port or uninstall device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.